Hello. So today we are going to unbox Apple Airpods Pro second generation. So we got this from Chroma with a discount on SDFC Bank of 2,500. Plus they were doing their own discount of around 1,500. So we got approx 4,000 discount on this. Now let's open this.
Next day you hit me back like nothing happened at all. What about all the things you used to say to me? This ain't the way it's supposed to be.
As usual,
You know
some paperwork.
I wouldn't do that to you. You know I wouldn't treat you that way. No.
About usage and warnings. And this is the case. We are going to put this aside for now. Let's see what is at the bottom of the box. You can see there are different type of earplugs for all sizes, large, small and extra small. You have a type C to lightning cable. Come back to the case. Looks pretty heavy. Okay, pretty cool. Looks quite premium in itself. Let's close it for now. I also wanted to show one Airpods case that we got from ESR. The case is quite durable and looks sturdy, you can see. And these parts come out so that you can attach it. And then you also have a hook. And this is quite value for money from ESR. You can check out all the things in the description below.